I wrote this poem for Gwendolyn Brooks on the occasion of her 100th birthday. It's called Requiem. Where some looked at blackness as the byproduct of nightmare, a path through the mind's worst neighborhood, because she loved us so, she began with one eye peeled, repaired a cut and frightened moon. She navigated midnight's unraveling heart, its casualties, semi-casualties, question marks. She taught us the eye needs grief to get used to the dark, that to be blue even a day meant everything your mother thought or said was true. She told us silence's momentary sway was prelude to the sound of weeping. Seeking purchase against the world's savage tilt, everybody white done waiting, she taught us our value lay in knowing what it cost to wait. When poets wondered aloud if time had come to be shut of the world's hard business, she knew that donning the rags of an old man shambling through Bronzeville would yield up his pleasure and his peace. As her sky piled suddenly with dark nimbus, she comprehended every thunderstorm, felt the shudder of barren trees, blinked away lightning's blue steel flash, heard counterfeit ghosts murmuring the name of every color in the world. Because she loved us, she knew without ever knowing how she knew without even trying the matter of our black bodies.